nevanhu vai vanga vari mupolitics havasisina power vemuchechi. So according to T.A. Morris, he said that Louis XVI failed to swallow his own pinnacle. So he decided to have an attempted flight to Varennes. As he wanted to have an attempted flight to Varennes, he was captured. Achida uzamotisa. When he wanted to achida utiza raro aro abai by granting people liberty, fraternity, and equality, it was where there was the manifestation and the formation of political clubs such as Girondins, Jacobins, and Hebetists. So the Girondins, they came from the province by the name Girondins, and the Jacobins, they were being led by one of the ambitious leaders. Watat, he had a maximum fixed of purpose, and he had a public maneuver to an extent that his political mind was extreme. So he formed. What were the main reasons for the formation of this political party? Number one, the king's attempted flight to Varennes discredited his political career. Why? Because they've instituted that France cannot be a constitutional monarch beheaded by Louis XVI. Why? He failed to curtail I don't want you to have confusion. We have said that we have a political party by the name National Assembly. The National Assembly is one of the political parties which is also known as the Constituent Assembly. What is the main reason behind this party being called the Constituent Assembly? It was the first government in France to constitute a constitution by the name the Declaration of Rights of Men. But as the Declaration of Rights of Men granted men liberty, fraternity, and equality. As people have this, they've granted the king what we call as the veto powers. The king had the power to veto, that is power to choose the right or what is wrong. But as the Declaration of Rights of Men was instituted, what happened was there was the formation of the civil concern of the clergy. What was the civil concern of the clergy? The civil concern of the clergy was the declaration, or it was just like a paper like this one, which was written, the declaration which says that we are now demoting the church from state politics. Which means kuti bishop, priest nevanhu vanga vari in politics havasisina power vemuchechi. So according to T.A. Morris, he said that Louis XVI failed to swallow his own pinnacle. So he decided to have an attempted flight to Varennes. As he wanted to have an attempted flight to Varennes, he was captured. Achida uzamotisa. When he wanted to achida utiza raro aro abaitwa hostile demonstration. But within the process whereby political chaos yekuti king abatwa, France haisisina king. Vanhu vakaita saCount Mirabeau. Handika watataura kuti anga akadhimotwa kufirst stage nevanhu vakaita saGeneral Lafayette. What they have instituted to this government National Assembly was that let us change the impetus of the things on the ground, such that imimi hamuna mari, hamuna mafunds. Saka zvatakuita ndezvekuti takuchinja National Assembly zita kuripa zita rekunzi Legislative Assembly. What was the Legislative Assembly? It was a political party which was gazetted after the idea of General Lafayette with the help of Count Mirabeau that they must confiscate state property. Saka they wanted to go votora zvinhu zvekuchechi zvavakadeclare vavozviita zvavo. Kana vatora zvinhu zvekuchechi vazviita zvavo, they wanted to provide on a public auction all diocese, all properties of the church, nema property emabishop akatiza kuti atengeswe auye afund the government sezvo National Assembly yanga isisina mari. But in this case Lafayette nevanhu vaiva members of the royal family vaimba ndo vanga vakutungamirira chinhu. Saka pataitira confusion ndeimimi pamatadza kunzwisisa. When the legislative assembly was now on power, kwakagadzirwa iyo yamakanyorerwa manotsi yandakakupai yakanzi the local governance. Hands the local governance yava ne 445 deputies who were elected by people who pay tax. Saka vanhu ivavo vari papower. This government, remember, this government are similar, but what is the difference is government yakutungamirirwa nembinga nevanhu vaimbova formally within the first state. Saka vanhu ava pavakauya papower, they granted people liberty, equality and fraternity. By granting people liberty, fraternity and equality, it was where there was the manifestation and the formation of political clubs such as Girondins, Jacobins and Jacobins. So the Girondins, they came from the province by the name Girondins, and the Jacobins, they were being led by one of the ambitious leaders. What he had a maximum fixed of purpose, and he had a public maneuver to an extent that his political mind was extreme. So he formed a political party by the name the Jacobin Party. He announced Maximilian Robespierre. Then Bataitama Hebetis vaitungamirwa nemunhu ainzi Herbert Foch. So as these guys formed their political party, on October 30 this year, the same way where the legislative assembly was formed, what they stipulate was that all people, they were not mandated to go to work. What they instituted was a lockdown. Kwakabva kwaitwa kwaitwa lockdown. Mwana wese mumba, garai mumba. But kana magara mumba, pamapati 3 atinawo, chichuza 1 yako yaunopinda. Titeze, takati susu, when these political parties were formed, they were what we call the rightists and the leftists. The rightists, these were political parties that wanted to have sympathy with the royal blood. But the leftists, these were fanatics. For example, the Jacobins. Tomorrow I'm going to discuss how fanatic were the Jacobins and the Jacobins in their political institution. Saka vanhu ava nawo 3 political clubs. Vakabva vavhara nyika. Takuendera mberi handiti. Tichiendera mberi kudaro uchanzwa pakunzi tane party zvikanzi. What were the main reasons for the formation of this political party? Number 1, the king's attempted flight to Varennes discredited his political career. Why? Because they've instituted that France cannot be a constitutional monarch beheaded by Louis XVI. Why? He failed to curtail the civil concern of the clergy, in which they thought that it was one of their way to enjoy liberty, fraternity and equality. After that, the people lost sympathy with the monarch. So they felt that it could not relight upon them. Thus, themselves, they formed this political party. According to David Thompson, the flight discredited the king's court, discredited the kings and the court, and eventually destroyed all hopes that France could be a constitutional monarch beheaded by Louis XVI. So when Maximilian Robespierre rose to power, he was very angry. What made Maximilian Robespierre to be very angry was when the attempted flight to Varennes failed. The emigrants whom we have discussed later, we have said that when the civil concern of the clergy was passed, there were 2 types of people, that is the non-jury priests and the jury priests. These non-jury priests, bishop, archbishop and whatsoever, who failed to swallow their pride that they are now under the constitution, they fled from France and they went to their brother-in-law, Leopold of Austria, such that he could issue what we call Declaration of Feuillants. What was known as the Declaration of Feuillants? It was a law which says France should be forever a constitutional monarch. Should be ever an absolute monarch. We do not want any revolution in France, other we are going to crush you. So my immigrants vaida kunopuwa army yeku Austria vobatana vodzoka vo attack ma political clubs. Saka pakabva paitika 1791 war, which means army yeAustria payakauya vakabva vabatana nePrussia vachida kuuya kuzoataka vanhu vemufrance ava vakomana ava vakabva vasvika vari ready. kuva ready kwevakomana ndo nyaya yamunonzwa hombe inopiwa zita rekunzi reign of terror. So imimi takuita watch out for our tomorrow's lesson where we are going to explain that what was the reign of terror, yakauya zvaita sei, and what made the legislative assembly to be dissolved, leading to the formation of what we call the National Assembly. So imimi zvamuchaita mangwana munoya mune idea kekuti chii chainzi national convention. Chii chainzi national convention. What was the mandate of the national convention? Yakauya nema-aims api nokuti ndopata mangwana. Are we together? Right, don't know that.